Hi guys, today I wanted to share the unpacking of a very special purchase I recently made. I did purchase a junk journal by Johanna Clough. It's the first journal I owned from her. I discovered her 3 years ago and I've always wanted to have one of her journals. They're just so inspiring and so beautiful. I've always loved all of the details and papers that she adds to her journals. So I just got it delivered this week. It did come in a recycled padded envelope. I love this brown bag that it came in. It can definitely reuse it inside the journal as a pocket or maybe an additional page. And I love all the extra goodies that she packed with this journal. So here is the junk journal I purchased. It is a small 4x6 journal, but it's absolutely adorable. I love holding it in my hands. I just love how it feels. And from watching the flip through video of this journal, I do know that the cover is made of craft text. It is embossed and hand painted by her, and I absolutely adore just each little detail that she added onto the cover. And the inner cover is this textured metallic embossed. I'm not sure if it's a wallpaper or fabric, but it's so beautiful, and I love this touch of her business card and a special little handwritten thank you card that she added on here. One thing I admire the most of Johanna's journals is the mixture of pattern paper, book pages, ledger paper, scrapbook paper, all the different textures, all the different colors. Just seeing something new in each page to me is so inspiring. You can definitely see it in my own journals because I find that each unique page just really sets an atmosphere and motivates you, inspires you in different ways to journal on each day. I was definitely in love with all of the little trims and fabric samples that she included in this journal, and of course all of the cute little ephemera pieces. So I was surprised that this purchase came with a separate little ephemera bundle. I thought that was such a cute little touch, a cute way to also say thank you for the order, and I was just very excited to receive extra little goodies. This little set right here was my favorite pieces of ephemera in this bundle. I am absolutely in love with anything floral, so I definitely appreciated these stationery pieces, especially this yellow envelope with its own little note paper. I just absolutely love this. I can't wait to add this in my journal. It's just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I'm super happy with this purchase, not only with the quality of her work and obviously the design of this journal, but also with the shopping experience overall. I did purchase this book outside of the United States. I do reside in Southern California and Johanna is located in Australia, but despite the long distance, I received the book in only 10 days after purchase, which I thought was not that bad, and I'm just super excited it's already here, and I can't wait to use it and share some of these journaling pages with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.